Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two budget-friendly drones that promise to elevate your aerial photography game: the TENSSENX GPS drone and the TENSSENX 4K drone. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the cameras. The TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt. It also features 5 GHz FPV transmission for real-time viewing without buffering. Reviewers love its high-speed, smooth shots. On the other hand, the TENSSENX also offers a 4K UHD camera with a 110 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable angle, plus a secondary bottom camera. It's great for capturing unexpected moments. However, some reviews mention that the TENSSENX can struggle in windy conditions. Next, let's chat about GPS and auto-return features. The TENSSENX has a GPS auto-return home feature that ensures the drone comes back if it loses signal, goes out of range, or gets low on battery. Reviewers appreciate this reliability, though some have reported issues with the auto-return function. Meanwhile, the TENSSENX drone relies on optical flow positioning for accurate hovering. It's not as advanced as GPS, but it keeps the drone in place. Reviews highlight its stability, though some users have experienced flyaways. Now, let's talk about battery life. The TENSSENX comes with 2 modular batteries, providing up to 46 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are pleased with the extended flying sessions. On the other hand, the TENSSENX drone's exact flight time isn't specified, but it's generally shorter. Reviewers recommend buying extra batteries for longer use. Both drones have foldable designs and weigh less than 250 grams, saving you from FAA registration. The TENSSENX features a refined foldable design and comes with a durable carrying case, which reviewers find convenient and stylish. The TENSSENX also offers a futuristic design with a carrying case, making it a fashionable accessory. Reviews highlight its lightweight and portability. Finally, let's look at some fun and additional features. The TENSSENX offers intelligent flight functions such as Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, Point of Interest, and even voice and gesture control. Reviewers love these advanced capabilities. The TENSSENX drone is also packed with features like gravity control, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment, and 3D flips, making it perfect for showing off. Reviews mention its ease of use and fun factor. Overall, reviewers find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be a reliable and feature-rich option, perfect for those who want extended flight times and advanced functionalities. However, some have experienced issues with the auto-return function. The TENSSENX 4K drone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and fun additional features, although it may require extra batteries for longer sessions and can be affected by wind. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a drone with extensive features and long flight times, the TENSSENX is your winner. But if you're on a budget and still want to capture those epic 4K shots, the TENSSENX is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high!